Hey girls, so before we actually get into today's video, big thank you to Yolissa Hair for sponsoring today's video. Now this is what their lace frontal wig looks like straight out the pack. Now this wig has already been curled, but what I'm more excited about is this hairline, honey. This wig comes with a lot of bells and whistles. So as you can see, the hairline has already been plucked to perfection. This lace is giving skin, but it is an HD lace, and the knots on this wig is super tiny. So this wig install should be super natural, super flat, and just giving this is my hair all day. So yeah, I'm excited to be trying out this wig. So this wig definitely comes with the combs, which I love. I don't know why wig companies are now sending wigs without combs, but I need combs in all of my wigs. This wig also comes with an elastic band, so you definitely do not have to use glue with this install, which we already know over here. We don't use glue. We use hairspray for the most part. Glue is just something that I just don't like to get wet. But anyways, girl, let me go ahead and put this wig on, honey, so I can see what it's gonna do, because I can already tell, honey, the lace is melting into my skin. So let's go ahead and move on to the parting space on this wig, because as you girls can see, it looks like we get some decent parting space. And as I said, we definitely get some good parting space on this wig. This is, by the way, this wig is on a 5x5 lace frontal. Also, I'm showing you girls again the parting space on this wig, so regardless of where I part this wig, I'm going to be getting scalp. And I also love that this wig has a clean part, so I'm really not going to have to go in and pluck the part on this wig at all. Girl, listen, I can already tell I'm going to love this install, because look at how this hairline is smoothing and blending into my skin. You cannot tell me this is not my hair. Anyways, y'all, let's go ahead and get into the install and do this install.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Tell me if you lose my I wanna be down.
Okay, y'all, so real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in on the hairline on this wig and let y'all see that the lace has not even been cut on this wig, and the lace has literally melted in my skin. I have not used any type of spray or nothing to secure this wig down. Like, y'all, when I tell y'all this is gonna be a bomb ass install, I can just already feel it.
I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need's a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is my time, that I got plenty of, I'll dedicate all my love unto you only, baby. I wanna stay by your side, be there to pull you out, and let you know everything will be alright. Oh, yeah. Going through, I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. No matter trying, it's true. I wanna be down.
So this step right here is totally optional, but it is the key to making your wig look even more like it is growing out of your scalp. Again, this wig, this lace really don't need a whole lot to make it look super natural. This is just the icing on the cake to make this wig look even better. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with some hairspray just to secure the wig down and give it that melting effect like it's growing out of my skin.
I'll dedicate all my love unto you only, baby. I wanna stay by your side, be there to call you out, and let you know everything will be alright. I wanna be down with you. No matter time, it's true. I wanna be down.
Now with this wig, you definitely don't have to do baby hairs because it's gonna eat regardless. But me, baby, I needed to put some baby hairs in this wig because the way this hairline is giving right now and how perfect I know these baby hairs is finna lay, girl, I'm not finna pass up an opportunity to put baby hairs on a wig that I know finna eat, okay? No ma'am. Play with who? Not me. Look at that. Y'all, I kid y'all not. This is probably like my second most favorite wig starting out 2024. Baby. Let the video do its talking. For real.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. With what you're going through, I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you.
So obviously for today's look, I'm going with the curved part and a bang. So I'm going to go in and cut some layers in this hair. I do somewhat have a video showing like step by step how to cut layers, but honestly what I do is I just take sections of my hair starting in the front and just doing long layers, you know, because if you come in and just chop the hell up out of your hair, it's no way to fix that. And like you can definitely get scissor happy or razor happy in this case and just cut off way too much hair. So yeah, just start off with sections first. Start off in the front, kind of framing your face a little bit, and then following the layers in the front of your hair as a guideline to continue cutting layers throughout your hair. So that's what I'm doing right here. And really I'm kind of like, dang, I don't want to cut this hair, but I know in order for me to get the fluffy curls that I want with this look, I got to put layers in this hair. And I am just loving the hairline on this wig. Chef kiss. Mwah.
I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe all you need is a shoulder to cry on. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is my time, that I got plenty of, I'll dedicate all my love unto you only, baby. I wanna stay by your side, be there to call you
Okay, girl, so now that I got the layers all throughout this wig, I'm going to go in and tie the lace down just to give it more of a melted effect. Also, this helps keep the wig in place while I am curling my hair, so that's why I like to kind of tie my hair down. It's an optional step, but I would highly recommend that you do this. It just gives, the wig, it makes the wig do what it do with the band. So don't really skip this step, but it's okay if you do, but I wouldn't skip the step. That's probably confusing. Girl, don't skip the step. Tie your head down. Tie your headband down. Anyways, now I'm going to go in and curl my hair using my favorite curling iron. It is the T3i curling iron. I love this curling iron. I say this every video that is featuring this down curling iron. I love it because it gets super duper hot. I love it because it does not smell like I literally just fried the fuck out of my hair. Like, y'all, this curling iron is so worth the price, but definitely get it on sale first because they asking for a lot of money. They're asking for a bag up front. So save yourself some money and make sure you use like their savings and coupons or whatever because they're always having sales. So yeah, girl, let me curl my hair and I'll be back.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real.
So this is how you know it's real. Get into this hairline. Let me zoom in and slow-mo it for you real quick. Look at this lace in this hairline on this wig. The simple fact that I did not have to do any bleaching, any plucking. Let me tell you something. Do this for me every time. This is what I need in my life. I need this type of wig every day, all day. Because this is just simply like easy. It's convenient. It's hassle free. Like, this is what I need in my life. Let me continue styling my hair, child. Because this wig is like, girl, I'm ready to go.
I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. With what you're going through, I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you.
All right, y'all. So I am pretty much done with this hairstyle. I'm just adding one final touch to the wig, which is adding concealer, emphasizing that part, just giving it a more clean look. And y'all, this look is everything. This wig is everything. So I am going to be posting Yolissa information in my description bar. It's going to have coupon codes. It's going to have the direct link to this wig. Everything that you need to know about this wig is going to be in the description bar. I absolutely love this wig and will give this wig a 10 out of 10. Perfect. No plucking skills is needed. No bleaching skills is needed. Like, no professional skill needed as far as like installing the wig. Like, girl, you can save yourself so much money right now by getting this wig and installing it yourself at home or wherever you may be, because this is really one of those wigs that is beginner friendly. You can literally put this wig on and go. And also, don't forget that this wig came pre-curled, as I showed you guys at the beginning of the video. So you definitely can make this a put on and go wig and be perfect for beginners if you have never done a wig install. And even if you have done a wig install, mama, you gonna eat like I just ate. So yeah, girl, make sure you check out that description bar because you need this wig. Thanks for watching, girls. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. Mwah.